What's up, guys? Today we're back with another video on Off-Road Outlaws. Today I'm going to show you how to make the 300 mile per hour truck. So what you want to do is go down to your upgrades, and then you just want to upgrade the turbo, then you just want to upgrade the durability, the weight, the grip, and engine power. Once you're done doing that, you want to go down to the gearing. Well, no, actually, wrong thing. Then you want to go down to tuning, and it'll be right here, gear tuning, first gear. So what you want to, first gear 1.3, you want to adjust the gearing to stage 3. That's it. And then first gear 1.3, second gear 0.6. Third gear 0.4, fourth gear 0.3, fifth gear 0.3. Then for the low grip, for the low gear 0.9. And then once you're done with that, the tuning right here, you want to max that out. And then axle width 0. Damping 1000, lift spring 0, shock 0, shock size 1.0, spring brakes up mount 0, stiffness 34,000, or just try to make it like that, travel 0.10, and it's pretty much the same for the back, axle width 0, damping 1000, lift spring 0.00, rear steering 0, shocks 0, shock size 1.0, spring brakes up mount 0, stiffness 34,000, travel 0.10. Once you're done with that, you can go over here to the demo one. What I would like to do, I'll just go and just make sure it's working at its perfect. And just go to like perfect setup, and then you would just buy that for 100 gold. And then you could go to customization, customize it however you want. So what you would want to do, I suggest this though. Use the drag tires that grip to the ground, that grip to the road the most, not the ground. And then once you're done with that, we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna go on a drag map. I'm gonna show you guys how fast it can actually go. Wait, hold on, not actually a drag map. Free roam. We're actually gonna go to Stump Park. I should be able to go fast enough there. I'm not sure. Just gonna go over here real quick. Then once we're over here, we're just gonna turn. You don't have to put this gearbox on it, but I did. I like it. Don't have to. You can leave it as an automatic. 3, 2, 1, go. It will work, it just takes a minute to get to 300 miles an hour. See, we're not at max speed, see? So, it does hit 300 miles an hour, but it just takes a minute. So, that's it for today's video, guys. And see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.